Whether you're tracking keys, luggage, or even your pet, protecting your AirTag is just as important as using it. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 AirTag holders that combine durability, design, and everyday practicality. Let's dive in. Discreetly track what matters most with this ultra-slim, invisible GPS tracker holder designed specifically for Apple AirTag. Whether you're keeping tabs on elderly loved ones, children, pets, or luggage, this lightweight holder tucks seamlessly into clothing, backpacks, or hidden compartments without bulk or discomfort. Made from skin-friendly, durable silicone, it's soft to the touch and designed for all-day wear. The snug-fit sleeve keeps your AirTag secure and concealed while maintaining strong signal performance. Perfect for travel, school, or peace of mind at home, it's a smart way to keep your AirTag functional and completely out of sight. Grab yours now to track smarter, not louder. Keep your valuables safe and always within reach with this anti-lost AirTag holder featuring a secure lanyard design. Engineered for everyday use, this lightweight and durable case provides a snug, scratch-resistant fit for your AirTag while maintaining strong signal performance. The flexible silicone material absorbs impact and adds a layer of protection without bulk. Whether you attach it to backpacks, wallets, keys, or pet collars, the included lanyard makes it easy to loop, clip, and go. Perfect for travel, school, or daily commutes, this AirTag case helps you track smarter and live with peace of mind. Get yours now and stay one step ahead of lost items. Looking for rugged protection for your AirTag? This waterproof, shockproof, and anti-scratch case is built for adventure. Crafted from tough TPU and PC materials, it keeps your AirTag safe from rain, drops, and daily wear while maintaining a strong signal. The secure twist-to-lock design keeps your AirTag sealed inside, and the included carabiner lets you easily clip it to keys, luggage, backpacks, pet collars, and more. Whether you're traveling, hiking, or just navigating your daily routine, this case ensures your tracker stays protected, and your valuables easily found. Durable, reliable, ready for anything. Keep your AirTag secure and stylish with the PXHDCN protective case. Made from soft, durable silicone, this cover offers shock absorption and scratch resistance while maintaining a slim, sleek profile. The open-face design ensures your AirTag's signal strength and sound aren't compromised. With its flexible loop, you can easily attach it to keys, bags, pet collars, or even a child's backpack. Lightweight, secure, and available in multiple colors, it's the simple way to track what matters without sacrificing style. Keep your Apple AirTag secure, stylish, and always accessible with this premium silicone keychain holder. Designed for a snug, protective fit, it shields your AirTag from scratches, drops, and everyday wear while maintaining a sleek, minimalist look. The soft, flexible silicone offers a secure grip, and the open-face design ensures strong signal performance. With a durable metal keyring, it attaches easily to your keys, bag, backpack, or pet collar, keeping your tracker exactly where you need it. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or just staying organized, this AirTag case is the perfect combo of function and form. Grab yours now and protect your peace of mind with style. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your favorite AirTag holder in the comments. Thanks for watching.